I have just a quick video, and this hopefully will be very informative to you guys. I have been, for the life of me, trying to put on false eyelashes. Unsuccessful, and they just would not work right. And then I'd have eyelash glue all over, and it would just be a horrific mess. I have been working on something today. I just went and bought some Kiss eyelashes, been playing around with it, trying to see if I could figure out what I am doing wrong, and I do believe that I have figured it out. What I have here, I've just stuck this eyelash onto this board so I can show you what I was doing wrong. Even when you purchase these, the glue is on this underside. And it looks like, okay, I should put my glue right where that glue is, stick them on, bada boom, bing. No, not the case. So what I did was I put the glue on this part. And then when I stick them to my eye, I'm literally sticking them on this way so that they're up, if that makes better sense. I'm going to show you and see if I can somehow make you see what I'm talking about. I'm going to show it to you one more time. So that this is just the lash, and you can see the lash, and it goes up this way. Usually this is the sticky side that you get when you buy it, and you pull it off the little thing and it sticks just like that. So I always thought, hey, I'm supposed to put the glue on the band and stick them to my lashes right there. Not the case. I started putting the glue on the top and then laying them down on my eyes and sticking them just like that. It actually works out a little better, and I just wanted to drop that if anyone is struggling like I have been struggling to do false eyelashes, just to get something and play with it. And maybe that is maybe hopefully something that's been causing you issues too. So what I want to do is I'm going to show you again with this, and here's the eyelash that I'm going to be putting on. And literally I just pulled it off and it was stuck on my little case just like this. So you're thinking, okay, I want to put my glue, you know, down here at where it's sticky already. It's not where I want the glue. Where you want to put the glue, and I'm just going to stick it on there so you can see. Where you want to put the glue is on this side of the lash right here. And then when you stick them onto your eyelashes, you're actually going to go up and stick them on like that. I know it sounds weird, and I don't know if I'm explaining this well. Drop me a comment if I'm not making sense, but this actually has helped me. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to grab the lash, and this has got the curl going up and the band. As you can see, I'm literally wanting to lay it on my lashes just like so. And instead of putting the glue down here at the bottom, I'm going to put it up here at the top of the band. Right where the curve is, not on the bottom part, on the top. And I'm just going to get a really thin little layer going. And that was another thing I was doing. I was using way too much glue. It wasn't drying fast enough. And if it's not tacky, it's not going to work. So here we go. Okay, I've got the glue and I'm letting it dry for a second. And then, I'm sorry guys if you don't get a good picture of this. I'm trying to make sure that you do. So I'm going to stick it on like so. Oh, and I lost my lash. And then line it up. And I've literally got it going this way, and the glue is on the top portion instead of the bottom portion. Like I was doing wrong. Oh, sorry guys. And voila. I don't know who all was struggling with this, but I was definitely struggling. So guys, if this helps, I hope I did. But as you can see, it lines up better, it sticks better, it looks better, it's just better. I was doing everything so wrong, I think. And this just really helped. So I hope it helped you too. Please subscribe to my channel. Hit the button below. I'm going to continue working on this. If you do have any questions, maybe I can explain it in a different video. I will try and give that a shot. But I do want you to understand how I just did this. So I'm going to show you one more time before I go. Okay, so I pulled the lash off, and it is literally comes just like this, okay? And you were thinking that you needed to pull it off and put the glue right where the glue is already, but that's not the case. I put the glue right along this line, and then when I put my lashes on, I'm literally laying them down just like so. And it works. I don't know if anybody else, you know, maybe I'm just like was thinking it was supposed to go the opposite direction. I don't know what I was thinking, but this direction, this is what's working best for me, and I hope it helps someone else. So let me know. Drop a comment. Thanks.